Assalamu alaikum. This is Ms. Atika. Today we are going to learn what is page formatting in MS Word. Making changes to the settings of a page is called page formatting. This is your page in MS Word, and to apply settings to this page is called page formatting. Those settings include page size, page margin, page orientation, etc. Let us discuss what is page margin. Margins are the amount of white space between the text and the edge of the page on all four sides: top, left, right, bottom. You can see there is blank space on the four sides of our page, and this space is known as margin. And what are the steps to change page margin? Steps to change page margins are: click the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click margin. In the drop down list, click the type of margin you want to apply. Thin arrow. These are the steps. You can specify your own margin settings too. First two steps are same. Click the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click margin. Click custom margins. The page setup dialog box appears. Specify top, bottom, left and right margin. Click OK. Before proceeding, can you answer me this question? What is the keyboard shortcut for bold in MS Word? Option number 1 is Ctrl plus U, option number 2 is Ctrl plus I, and option number 3 is Ctrl plus V. Okay, you can answer yourself. Let's proceed. What is page orientation? Page orientation refers to the direction along the length or along the width in which page is printed. Page orientation can be of two types, either it is portrait or either it is landscape. You can consider this example. While taking selfie from your mobile, if you hold your cell phone like this is known as portrait, and if you hold your cell phone like this is known as landscape. Same is for your document page. If the document page is printed along the width, this is portrait, and if your document page is along the length, this is landscape. The steps to change page orientation are: click on page layout tab, click on orientation, select the orientation you want to apply. Either it is portrait or either it is landscape. Okay, it's practical time. Let us open MS Word. A paragraph on the importance of exercise is already typed here. What you have to do is format the paragraph by set top, bottom, right, and left margin to 5 cm. To do this, we'll click on page layout tab. We will click on margin. We will click on custom margins. Page setup dialog box will open. We have to change it to 5 cm. From the top, I will type here 5. I will type here 5. I will type here 5, and you can see the preview here too. 5. And I will click on OK. The margin is applied. Second is change the orientation to landscape. Page layout is already selected. I will click on orientation. I will click on landscape. Okay. Page orientation is also done. I am giving you a task to practice yourself. What you have to do is you will type a paragraph of your own choice in MS Word. The paragraph should contain 7 to 8 lines at least. Now what you have to do is you will set the right and top margin to 4 cm. Now you don't need to apply margin to left and bottom margin. Set the orientation to landscape. Don't forget to save your work. Thank you.